Institute of Urology, DHULE, India presents use of holmium YAG laser for a broken and impacted stone basket, a novel two-limb fracture technique. The objective is to describe a novel technique of managing a fractured basket with an impacted ureteric calculus ureteroscopically. The methods included development of the two-limb fracture technique and its use in a case of a calculus impacted in a broken basket. What is the two-limb fracture technique? Here we see a stone engaged in a basket. The strength of the basket is by virtue of its intact four limbs. An accidental fracture of one limb may occur during laser lithotripsy. The nearest adjacent limb is then deliberately fractured and the basket withdrawn gently. This releases the stone from the basket as the integrity of the basket is lost. The basket is then safely withdrawn. Let us see the recorded demonstration. Laser lithotripsy is in progress of a calculus entrapped in a basket. Here you would see the lower right limb thermal fracture. Let us have a look again in slow motion. The nearest adjacent limb is identified and deliberately fractured, leaving two limbs of the basket intact. A gentle traction on the basket releases it from the stone. The basket is then safely withdrawn. Thus, the steps can be summarized as follows. When in trouble, number 1. Identify the nearest limb adjacent to the fractured limb of the basket. Number 2. Fracture the limb as far away from the scope as possible. Number 3. Apply gentle traction to the stem of the basket. And finally, retrieve the basket under vision. Thus we conclude that the two-limb fracture technique is safe, fast, effective, and keeps the option of using the conventionally described methods open.